Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tech Tuesday. I'm Ben Tucker with Muscle Car Central. We get a bunch of questions on interior. Main thing is, do you have standard interior or deluxe? It's not like it's deluxe better. It was simply an option back in the day. So deluxe interior and standard, you could order it either way. So we're going to run down and tell you the differences, because we get the call all the time, and even sometimes we get the call after we sent your order and you're like, it doesn't fit. You ordered deluxe because you thought it was better. Let's learn what it is. Standard interior is, your more stripped down, basic, performance oriented, kind of plain Jane. It's beautiful. This is a 68 standard door panel. They're all flat, and they take a bolt-on armrest, which would be separate, not molded. Standard interior was your base in all your models, Camaro, Chevelle, Firebird, Nova. We're really going to keep it to first gen Camaro and Firebird to keep it simple for you guys today. So that's a standard door panel. And when you're talking standard door panel, it's not just the panel itself, it's the stuff that goes behind the door. So there is actually a deluxe interior regulator, a standard interior regulator. And if you see how that's shorter for the standard and this is longer, that's so when this little nub comes through your door panel to put your window crank on, it will reach. On a deluxe interior door panel, it's molded. And we'll look at that since it's right here. This is a deluxe interior, it's a lot thicker, so it needs a longer regulator. Those are some of the things we get a lot that people will call and say, hey, I can't put my window crank on. But we know now that if you have a short regulator, you had a standard door panel. We learned that today. One way to tell too is, say you got your doors, you don't have interior on the car. You can't really measure that. You don't know if that's short or long, if that's all you have. But the way you could tell on a standard interior car, 68, 69, you pull the door handle up, which is one of these here. It uses the same clip as your window crank. You would simply, pull the handle up to get out. On a deluxe interior, different here, it mounts like this, you pull it out towards you. So that's one way to tell. So if you have this kind of mechanism, you're deluxe interior. If you have this kind of mechanism, 68 and 9, you would simply be standard interior. Let's talk 67. It's actually 67, and if you come back in here, you see that little screw? 67's actually used a screw instead of the clip to put on the handle. So that one right there works with this handle here, and that's a deluxe handle. I mean, you can look at it, it's deluxe. I mean, beautiful, heavy chrome, and it uses that screw to hold it. The 67 standard handle, it's beautiful, but that's a standard handle. It doesn't use a screw, it takes a different mechanism, and it would simply take the clip like your window cranks or door handles, same clip to hold it on. So knowing what you have is really going to help us get you what you need. So let's get back to standard versus deluxe. It's not just the door panels. It's also your seats and your seat foam. So a lot of people, will want to put houndstooth seat covers because they're beautiful into your car. You can do that and you can keep your flat door panels, no problem. But when you do that, there is a deluxe seat foam and a standard foam. The deluxe are a little bit wider, have a little bit more bloisters to them. There's a little metal in there that these listing wires come down, so it makes it look, a little more bloisters on it, a little wider, probably a little bit more comfy. Not only that, 68, we're talking deluxe. These guys, man, you got these cool little emblems that would go in your seat cover right there on the houndstooth and right there on your deluxe with the vinyl. You could do deluxe with a vinyl, that's a 68 deluxe, or the houndstooth. Only the deluxe gets the emblems, hence deluxe. All right, so seat covers, standard, same thing, just pleats, plain Jane on the standard seat covers, plain Jane, just pleats, no emblems, all vinyl, no cloth inserts. Fantastic product, and more found on your base Camaros, some of your performance Camaros, your Zs, your SSs, unless you ordered it with deluxe interior, simply an option. It's not better quality material, it was just an option. So standard 67, 68, 69 look like that. Deluxe 67, now that is beautiful. Had a little Mylar, and it would be different colored. Red would have a black insert, gold would have a black, a little stripe of Mylar around there. Absolutely beautiful. That's a Deluxe 67, and we said, you know, Deluxe 68. 69, you could have had the houndstooth, or you could have had a vinyl too, which was called comfort weave. So a couple different options on the Deluxe. Cloth would be houndstooth, vinyl, and 69 would have been the comfort weave. But this is really, people want this, one of our hottest sellers, all made in the United States, beautiful quality material. There's that comfort weave we're talking about. Look at that. I mean, that just looks beautiful. And that's why they call it Deluxe. It's not better material, it's just Deluxe. It's an option. There is another easier way to tell if you have Deluxe interior. It's simple. Does your door panel have carpet on the bottom? Because you remember, standard, plain Jane, no carpet. Deluxe interior has carpet on all 67 through 9, first gen Camaro Firebird. Deluxe interior, door panels, carpet on the bottom. That's how you know. So when you're ordering any of the interior stuff, you call, we're gonna ask you, do you have Deluxe or standard interior? You're gonna be like, what's the difference? You're gonna watch this video and learn what the difference is. That's what we're doing this today. So we learned about seat covers, seat foams, door panels, and the main thing is we learned it's not just the door panel, it's what goes behind the door panel. So if you wanna change it to Deluxe, you've got a big job. Window regulators, door opening mechanisms, door handles, all the accessories that go on those door panels have to be changed too. Keep it in mind. I hope we learned something today. And you know, Take Tuesday, it's for you guys. You gotta let us know what you wanna hear next. Hit it in the comments. And remember, give us a like.